for the X-Stick to function and to program the babies, you will need to download the Control Center. If you look at the first page of the RealCare Baby Quick Start Guide, at the very bottom of the first page is a link for the RealCare Baby downloads. On this page, you will find an additional copy of the Quick Start Guide, your Control Center software, along with the participant video, RealCare curriculum, and additional downloads. To download the Control Center, click where it says here, download Control Center software, and then click on the box for either PC or Mac. And then to download the file, click download, and then proceed with normal installation instructions. You may need to have your computer techs finish the installation.